Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got another good one for you. Easter is right around the corner. And what is better for Easter dinner than a good honey glazed, spiral cut ham? Now, I found a recipe that I absolutely love. We're gonna do a marmalade hot honey glaze on this that just shoots it over the top, okay? There's a couple of little twists that I'm gonna show you, so hang tight. What I've got here today is a 12-pound spiral cut baked honey ham, okay? This is already supposed to be fully cooked, and you can find this at the grocery store. You can find it at Walmart, doesn't matter, okay? Now, most of these come with a rub or a liquid to glaze them with, and I found one I like a whole lot better. We're going to do a glaze, but first I'm going to the smoker for 2 hours. I want this ham to come up to 130 degrees, and we're going to do about 260, 270 for those 2 hours. So stick around and we're going to bring you back when it's time to work on the glaze. All right, let's work on our glaze. This is the easiest glaze you'll ever do. I'm going to show you a little trick to go with it. But we're going to start off. This is a jar of sweet orange marmalade. All right. And I'm going to use the entire jar. Yep. This is good stuff. All right. The whole jar. All right, and you see I've got it in my little saucepan here. I'm going to start heating it up. What am I going to add? This is Mike's Hot Honey. This is extra hot. Ooh, that's going to be some good stuff. I want about 2 tablespoons. I'm watching about like that. That's going to be close. And then I'm just going to stir it in. Now, I don't want this to boil. I just want to heat it up enough to mix these flavors together. Liquefy all of this sugar, because there definitely is going to be a lot of sugar in this. But that's what you want on a ham, right? You can see this marmalade has a lot of chunks of orange in it. It's going to be good stuff. All right, again, all I'm going to do is sort of liquefy this. I can already smell all the orange. I can smell the heat. I'm going to get this hot. And then when we come back, we're going to glaze the ham. Okay, well, apparently we have hit our temp. Let's pull the probes out. We're going to take this out, take it to the table. It's time to glaze. Okay, we have let this glaze simmer. This is orange and Mike's Hot Honey, extra hot. All right, here's what I want to do. I'm going to take and I'm going to pour this over the top. And One of the things so nice about having a prep table like this is you can take and set hot things down on it. I'm going to take and run this glaze all in between these slices. Now this is the good thing about having this on this rack, because you can handle it pretty much any way you want. Look at that. Look how that works out. Just I'm gonna turn it around so I can get this glaze in here. All right, don't leave me yet. I know, but whatever you do, don't leave me yet, because this glaze isn't all that we're gonna do to it. Not by a long shot. I know you can't see it on that side, but I'm just opening each little flap up and glazing this. Now I have cut this up here. All right, I've got it pretty well between the two, and I'm going to take and put this over the top of it. Now, let's get the rest of it out on it. All right. This is going to be unbelievable here. All right. Got that heat cut off. All right, what am I going to do? Watch this. This is just regular granulated sugar. I'm just going to take and spread this over the top like this. You ever had pralines? This is going to melt down and make like a praline cover over the top of this. I'm going back to the heat, and I'm going to take this and let this go maybe 15 minutes. And when we pull it off, I'm going to bring you back. Okay, well, let's try this out. Pull a piece out. Most of the glaze is set. I'm going to try it on this hand. I'm gonna tell you what, if you don't love this for Easter, your taste buds are dead. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Hey, listen, that glaze mixture that we made, perfect. It's not too hot. It's got a little kick to it. It's not too hot. Promise. My bunch will eat it. Delicious. Hey, listen, thanks for sticking around and seeing how this Easter ham was going to turn out. Marmalade, hot honey ham, glazed is the way to go. That's all I can tell you. If you haven't already, how about do me a favor? Hit the subscribe on this side. Until next time, I'll have a video just for you right here. Nobody else, just you. Just you. It won't cost a dime. Hit the like, share it. Until next time, hey, hang tight. Please be good to one another. Hang tight.